Hey guys, it's Mad Monday again, and today we're going to talk about part clearances. So the main goal of additive manufacturing sometimes is to reduce the number of parts in your assembly. But sometimes you still want multiple parts in your assembly, maybe because something is moving. So in that case, you might even want to print that whole assembly as one part, just like this here. In those cases, you really have to watch your clearances, because if they're too low, the part will not move as desired. In this case, the outer ring has the lowest clearance and it's not moving the way we want it to. And I increase the clearance going inward, and so each ring can move more freely than the other. The problem though is, if you increase your clearances, you might end up with too loose assemblies. So the middle ring here is very loose and it's not where we want it to be. So sometimes the manufacturers of your metal 3D printer will offer part clearance values for a given material or for a given system. But if you don't have that number available, you will have to try for yourself, and you don't want to waste a lot of time printing your whole assembly and adjusting the diameters there. So in that case, print something like this, where you can easily modify on a small piece the clearance and check what works best for your assembly. That's it for today. Hope to see you guys next week.